I don't care how good of shape you were in before you get pregnant, because I work out every day, right? You ain't gonna be able to breathe. It happens out of nowhere too. It's not gradual. Like one day you're just laying there and your oxygen's like, eh. And I always thought like, oh, it was just like uncomfortable in your belly to wear stuff that was tight. No, it's for your well-being. I have to, when I wear sports bras now, I have to like hold them out like this because they cut into your fucking lungs. If you're laying too flat on the couch, all of a sudden you just start getting lightheaded. You're like, oh shit. Every movement, every piece of clothing you put on. Winded, my dear. Winded.